everyone, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Do the same with another section at the bottom. Continue to do this until you reach the base. Once you reach the base, divide the hair into 2 portions and then make a fishtail braid in the hair. Divide the hair into 2 portions, take small sections from either of the portions and then interchange it in the center as such. Add a bow once you are done. Now start off by making 2 braids on the side and then tie a ponytail to it. Add a decorative clip or a rubber band as well. Wrap up the hair in this net. Next, start off by making 2 braids on either side. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then make 2 braids at the back as well. Make 2 braids at the bottom, lift it up and then tie it up accordingly. Add a decorative bow. Make 3 sections of the hair at the bottom and then tie a rubber band to each of them and lift it up accordingly. Make a braid in the side, roll it up into a bun and add a decorative clip. Take a section of the hair off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side and join it at the back. Make 2 braids at the bottom and roll it up. Start off by dividing the hair into 2 sections, make a braid on either side, roll the braid upwards and then add a decorative clip. Take a section from the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it and then add a decorative piece as such. Pull it through and then divide the hair into 2 sections. Using the beads as one of the sections, make a braid out of it as such. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. This is what it should begin to look like. Do the same with the other section that you have created. Finally, join it all together in a ponytail and then add 2 decorative clips. Take 2 sections of the hair from one of the sides, tie a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Loosen it using your fingers as such. Take 2 more sections at the bottom and once more repeat this step. Do this until you reach the base, and once you reach the base, divide the hair into 2 parts. Begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. Take 2 sections from either side and interchange them in the middle. Tie a rubber band. Next, start off by taking a section off the top and then make another section at the bottom. Tie a rubber band to each, make a ponytail, roll the hair in on itself, add multiple rubber bands at the top and make a heart shape. Next, take a section off the top of the hair and tie it up as such. Make 2 divisions at the bottom and make a braid out of either of them. Make it into a tight French braid where you include more and more sections along the braid as you progress with it. Tie a rubber band to the bottom once you're done. Tie 2 rubber bands together and then make this bunny shape out of it. Take a section of the hair from the front and tie this rubber band to it. Make another section right underneath it, tie a rubber band, do this one more time. As for the bottom, braid the hair, lift it up, tie multiple rubber bands. Section off the front of the hair into 3 parts and add 3 rubber bands as such. Make a ponytail at the back and join the side to the back. Add a red ribbon to it as such and braid the hair. Roll it up into a bun. Make a braid at the bottom. Next, tie a ponytail and then add a ribbon with a bow to it. Using the sections, use it as a part of the braid. Make 2 braids at the top and then tie it up at the side section. Take one side of the hair and then roll the rubber band around it. Make 2 divisions, one at the top and one at the bottom. Add a clip at the top as such. Using the divisions of the ribbons, make a braid with it. Loosen the braid using your fingers. Tie a ponytail, add a braid and then lift it up accordingly. Make 2 ponytails at the top, and as for the bottom, make 3 divisions out of it. Divide the bottom into 2 parts, join it up accordingly. Make 2 braids on either side and roll it up. Thank you for watching.